Open it up. Open it, Brutus. Open it. Here. Open. You gonna open it? What's in it? What's in it? You gonna open it? Open it. Alright, Michael. You gonna open it, Brutus? Open it. Come on.
Rip it up, Brutus. Get it, Brutus.
Open it.
Get it. Get it,
This
Brutus.
one's from Aunt Amanda, Michael.
Rip it open, Michael. Michael.
Open it up from this end. Open it up. Brutus is opening his.
Get it, Brutus.
Can you even see him?
Yeah. Get the present. Open it up. What is it?
Open your
What
present.
is it, Michael?
Look, Brutus is opening his. Open it up, Michael. What is it? What did Aunt Amanda get you? Huh?
What is it? You want me to help? Look. Michael, look. Oh, it's a lawnmower.
Michael, what is it?
Michael. Michael.
What is that?
What is it? Bubbles.
Yeah.
Bubbles.
All right, help take Daddy's to him. That's for Daddy. Michael,
My present?
get Daddy's present, Michael.
Present? Get Daddy's present. Open that one. Open.
Open Daddy's present. Look, Brutus is working on his bone.
Oh, yeah.
What'd Daddy get?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Exactly what I was looking for.
I know. Michael, say Merry Christmas. Michael.
Christmas.
Michael, tell Aunt Amanda Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. No? Say Merry Christmas. I love you. Michael. Okay, that's good enough, I guess.